Hello again and welcome to another Destinations with Luke video. This time we are staying at the luxurious 5-star Jumeirah Zabeel Saray Hotel Resort on the West Crescent of the Palm in Dubai. And we are showing you a room tour of the Deluxe King Arabian Sea View room. This large Ottoman-inspired bathroom here comes with all of the luxury bathroom amenities that you would expect from such a resort in Dubai. The sheer scale and size of this bathroom really has to be seen in person to believe, because the video really does not show how large this facility is. You've got this lovely rainfall shower and another shower attachment should you require it to be used handheld. It's got some luxury soaps, shampoo, conditioner, all of those areas that you would expect. Continuing on through, you can see this very large Turkish style marble bathtub here. Now this is so deep and long and large that it could easily be a small swimming pool for children. You could fit several adults in this. It really is an outstanding piece to be seen, with this large mirror and a view from the bathroom into the rest of the room. As we move on to the rest of the room here, you can see all of the storage areas, a very large, very well decorated mirror on the left hand side here, as we can see. And then moving on to the rest of the room, hopefully the video shows the sheer scale and size of the main bedroom as well. This is over 46 square meters and has a beautiful sea view. Again, more styling and mirrors across the rest of the room. This Ottoman theme really being produced throughout the space. The bed is an extremely large king-size bed, more of a larger king-size bed than European measurements. We can see back into the bathroom here. So you can imagine yourself laying in the bathtub there, enjoying the scenery and potentially being able to watch a film through the window. Staying at this hotel also allows you to save on exclusive rates to the Wild Wadi Water Park and also tours on the iconic Burj Al Arab Hotel. At the end of the bed you'll find this very comfortable chaise lounge. More storage options at the end with tea and coffee making facilities, a large 48-inch screen TV, which is HD interactive, and a widescreen panel. There is a branded Nespresso coffee machine here with all of the pods provided daily should you require them. And we've got a large fridge here which you can have stocked, or as we prefer, we ask the staff to remove them so that we can fill them with our own drinks as we please. There's plenty of glasses as well should you wish to entertain any family or friends as well in your room. There's a large sofa in the corner here that you can see, which can fit easily up to 3 people. You've got these long blackout curtains as well, and a little office station / vanity station should you require it for those purposes. An absolute advantage of staying at the Jumeirah Zabeel Saray Hotel Resort means that you can also dine at other Jumeirah restaurants and hotels. If you're on the half-board dining option plan, you can eat at these restaurants for no supplement charge. And as you just saw there is also a shuttle bus service that runs at certain times, although the times that are displayed on this footage may be different from when you're watching this footage. The view from the 4th floor here shows expansive vistas of the infinity pool and the rest of the palm working around. Completely unobstructed views, taking in the beautiful sights of Dubai. I visited this hotel several times in the past and it's my go-to place to stay whilst visiting in Dubai. As always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.